Teddi Mellencamp Arroyave is trying to say goodbye to her Hollywood Hills home, again. The stunning property, where the former Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star lived while filming the reality series, has been put on the market for $5.9 million, people can confirm. The house, which is more than 4,200 square feet and has 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, is listed by RHOBH star Kyle Richards' daughter Farrah Brittany and her husband Mauricio Umansky of the agency. Teddi and her husband Edwin Arroyave purchased the home for $4,070,000 in 2017. The couple first attempted to unload the Hollywood Hills property in 2020 after purchasing a new modern farmhouse in Encino, California. After failing to sell, they put it on the market as a rental for $25,000 a month, according to online records obtained by Dirt. The modern estate is built for indoor-outdoor living with retractable glass walls connecting many of the interior rooms to landscape terraces and outdoor living spaces, including a luxurious pool. Left, credit, Mark Angeles. Right, credit, Mark Angeles. The home features an open floor plan with a modern galley-style kitchen and panoramic views of the city and Pacific Ocean. The primary suite includes a dressing room as well as a chic spa-inspired bathroom and walk-in dressing room. The property also features 4 guest bedrooms with updated marble bathrooms as well as a home office and gym. Left, credit, Mark Angeles. Right, credit, Mark Angeles. In a video tour Teddi gave Bravo after moving into the home, she gushed over its spectacular views. "The view is really my happy place," the reality star and daughter of John Mellencamp said at the time. "You feel a little stressed? All of a sudden you walk out here, you take a couple of breaths and you're good to go."